It is very important to clean your Brady Printer i7100 on a regular basis. We recommend cleaning after every roll or two of supply. This will greatly improve the print quality and extend the life of the printhead. It is recommended to use foam swabs pre-soaked with isopropyl alcohol. These swabs can be purchased in packs of 50 from Brady. First, remove your ribbon and labels. You may also want to remove the anti-static brush for easier access to the printer components. With the covers of the printer open and the printhead also set to the open position, swab the leading silver edge of the print mechanism where adhesive buildup can occur, as well as the green printhead surface underneath. Move the swab back and forth a few times with regular pressure to remove any buildup and residue. Next, clean your print roller. You can rotate the roller manually with your thumb to advance the roller to be sure that you clean all sides. Other areas to clean if they have adhesive buildup include the inside edges of the red media guides. Pull the red tab on the sensor bar to swab the sensor and the sensor pathway. Then slide the sensor back into place. If you have a peel model printer, clean the pinch roller and the lower green rewind assist roller to remove adhesive buildup there as well. If either the top or lower print rollers show wear after cleaning, which includes a rough surface or little bumps, then the rollers should be replaced immediately as they will damage the printhead.